Tired of endlessly tweaking single formulas and never scaling up? It's time to think bigger. Most personal care brands build their range by cobbling together standalone formulas. One for hair, one for skin, another for body. But what if you could engineer a whole product line from a single, scalable system? That's the game changer at the heart of our advanced formulations and launch training. Imagine turning one master base into lotions, creams, body butters, even anti-aging products, simply by tweaking a few parameters. It's not just about making products, it's about building an interconnected platform that saves time, money, and headaches at every step. We go beyond recipes. You'll learn the secrets of platform-based formulation, advanced oil in water emulsion systems, robust surfactant cleansers, anhydrous bases, and carbomer-free gels, each engineered to spawn multiple market-ready products. Master the logic behind processing, stability, pH, and actives compatibility, so you can scale up with total confidence. This isn't beginner stuff. If you already formulate but crave cleaner structure and faster execution, this training is for you. In this training, you'll learn how to build robust formulation systems instead of isolated products, and fix problems at the source. No more endless troubleshooting. You will also know how to handle complex, sensitive actives like a pro, and design with manufacturing in mind, so what works in your lab actually wins in production. So, what sets this training apart? Well, let me tell you, it will teach you how to build a product business, technically and practically, so that you're not stuck hiring consultants every time you want to launch. If you're a cosmetic formulator, R&D chemist, technical founder, private label manufacturer, or brand owner moving in-house, then this is your ticket to a smarter, scalable future. Ready to go from making products to engineering a brand? Register now and revolutionize your formulation strategy. To register, click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. And one more thing, if you're looking to truly strengthen your expertise, do explore the 24/7 OnlyTRAININGS Academy, where you'll find hundreds of expert-led training courses, designed by industry specialists and trusted by working professionals worldwide.